It's been a minute since you've heard me say these words, but welcome to a Misfits Market Unboxing. It's been a long time since I ordered from Misfits. I used to do it every week, but then like a while back they switched their ordering mode. It used to be like they had a curated order that they would open up to subscribers. Like, I think my day was Tuesday, and you'd make choices from like a predetermined selection, and I felt like it was just a better value that way, but I was also a little disappointed with how the quality was holding up too. And then they switched over to just like more of a marketplace storefront where you just pick your items and buy, and there was no more like curation or anything. And I just wasn't as big of a fan of that, so I didn't order for a while, but I did have credits that were about to expire, plus they sent me a coupon for filling out a survey. So I thought, well, I might as well use all this stuff up, and I'll only have to pay postage if I get the exact amount of items that I had for my coupons and such. So I picked some low carb snacks and some other snacks. These are a almond flour tortilla chip, and I've been trying to watch my carbs some just to keep back on like carbs and sugars and things like that. I'm not like keto strictly or anything, but I'm just trying to watch it. So I got 2 bags of those for snacking. I ate one so far, and they're decent flavored. I'm not nuts about the texture, but I mean, they'll do for snacking. These are these high-key mini cookies. They're kind of like a keto snack cookie. They're about the size of a Cookie Crisp, and they're really tasty. I've bought them before from Amazon. And they have a nice like zip reseal at the top, and they're just a good thing to keep at my desk if I just want to grab like a little mini cookie or two just for with my coffee. So these will come in handy for work snacks, and I'm always looking for work snacks. Now the next item out of the box is this can of Health Valley soup, and I buy this soup regularly, only in the vegetable one. I've never tried the lentil. I'm looking forward to it because their soups are really like good and kind of fresh tasting for a canned soup. I mean, it has really quality ingredients. And there's no salt added either, so you can just add what you like without it being like totally over salty like some soups are. Next item out are these Fat Snacks almond flour crackers. And I mean, I do like most things made with almond flour. I make banana bread with almond flour all the time. And in an upcoming video, I'll actually be making apple crisp with almond flour as well. So you should check that out if you're trying to watch your carbs as well. It'll be up soon. And although oatmeal does have carbs, it's got a lot of health benefits. I really love oatmeal in the mornings. This is actually a kid's oatmeal, but I'm going to be a big kid and eat it, because oatmeal is oatmeal to me, and it was on sale super cheap, and I thought it would make a really fast, tasty breakfast on the go. Like, plenty of times I will sit down at my desk with like oatmeal in a mug and just like eat it while I'm logging into my work computer and getting ready for the day. It's really convenient, and it's just tasty besides. I've tried the strawberry one so far, and it was really good. So that was a good find. And the last 4 things down at the bottom of the box are something that I've really been wanting to try for a while, and I just did, and I was kind of underwhelmed. It's the Cheetos Jalapeno Cheddar Macaroni and Cheese. And I mean, I love jalapeno cheddar, I love macaroni cheese, but man, I just didn't really like the combination of these two. I was kind of bummed out. But I had the 1 cup. I think I'll be passing the other 3 along to people who like spicy stuff, because I mean, I like spice, but it was kind of like a lot of hot without the flavor to back it up, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I was underwhelmed. So I will just lay out these goodies again so we can take another look. My experience was mixed. I may order from them again. I did like the variety of items they had, and some things were good deals, but other things I can get at a better price locally and fresher. And that's more of like the fruits and vegetables that I saw. But if you're looking for like packaged foods, there are a lot of really good deals that you can get on like shorter dated or like foods where the packaging has changed or something like that. They do offer some steep discounts, so it could be a good buy on things that are normally kind of expensive. So if you'd like to check it out, I do have a referral code in the box below that will help you score a discount. I thank you for watching my video, and I hope you'll come back and join me again soon. Take care and have a great night.